Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I've got a really exciting video for you today. I've just bought a new grill, a Weber Q1200. So I wanted to show you sort of getting it out of the box and putting it together and getting it ready to grill on. So here we go. Okay, so here we have it, the Weber Q1200. I'm going to try and open the box now. Just get my ridiculously sharp knife. To cut myself. Everything. That's one side. This is quite hard to do with one hand. Okay. Let's have a look at what's inside. I know there's a stand in here as well, so I'll just try to grab out just the barbecue on its own and we'll play with the stand at another time. So I think that's part of the stand. Put that over here. I'm not sure what that bad boy is, but we'll put that over here. Okay. So we have the top of the hood. Here we've got the fold out trays, and then that is the fat catcher at the bottom. Some more cardboard. We've got the instructions, I'll read off in a while. We've got the burning loop in here, and it looks like a bag of bits, so the thermostats here, or sorry, should I say the thermometer and the thermostats, temperature gauge, and the handle. And then in here, yeah, we've got a few more plastic fixings, which I'm sure I'll figure out what to do with. So let's try and just grab this out of the box if I can lift it. Perfect. Got the piece here where the gas canister goes in. It's the bottom. See the fat catcher at the bottom there. That's great. And then a bit more cardboard, and it looks like the legs for the stand. And sneakily at the bottom here, hiding out, we've got the grill plates as well. And that's everything in the box. I'm not going to take that out because I'm going to put it all back into the box for now. And then I'm going to have a go at assembling it. Okay, so here we've got the lid of the Weber grill. There's a couple of bits to attach to this. One is the thermometer. It's got a little wing nut on the back of it here, which you sort of unscrew, and it goes in to the front here. It only goes in one way, but I'll show you that in a second. And the other is the handle. Make sure it's the right way up. It's got two kind of spacers which go on the front, and then the bolt which goes into the back. So I'll flip this over now, and I'll get the wing nut here. Just take that off. I'm just going to thread that through. As you can see, that just when that goes in, that should go on. There we go. Just get that tight. Okay, and that's all in now, no problem. And then the next part, just going to undo the screws here and just pop them through the holes one at a time. One like that, put a spacer there. And one through like that. Now the spacers can only go in one way, We've got a little housing which they go into. Make sure you have that the right way up. Thread the spacer on. I'm just hand winding these on momentarily, and I'll grab a screwdriver in a second. Okay, screwdriver. That's the back here. Just give that a tighten up. And same on the other side. Okay, and that is the Weber lid good to go. Okay, so I've just flipped the barbecue around, and what I'm going to do is install the lid. So you attach the lid to the base. To do this, there are some little bolts here and then a little pin. So the idea is that you pop that through and then attach it with the pin. So I've got one in already. I'll just pop the second one in like that, and then just push the pin through like that, and then do the same on the other side. Push the pin through like that. There you go. The lid is now attached to the base. We're on the home straight now. I've only got a few last bits to put on. The first bit is the temperature lever, and that goes on over here. Just to see if I can push it on very quickly. Yep, okay. So that's on. Make sure that's set to 0. And then over here we have the charge, which lights the barbecue. Again, super easy. It's just a little battery that goes in here, and then pop it back into the system, give it a little turn, and you should hear it clicking away. This here is the drip catcher for the bottom of the barbecue. Weber sell these in packs of 10, I think, so you can replace them and keep things clean. It goes in the bottom here. And then lastly, we've got the actual grills themselves. I think these are really great, really impressed with the quality. They're thick and heavy. I'm sure they're going to be really brilliant to barbecue on. One there, and then one there, and that's it. That is the Weber complete. Just need to put some gas in it now and get it up to temperature outside. It's pretty bright out here, so I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it, but I'm going to give the Weber its first light up, start trying to get it hot. So we've got the gas plugged in already. Turn that up to full. Come down to the knob over here. Turn that on to ignite. Open up the lid, and then hit the ignition button. There we go. Not sure if you can see, but she's on. Get that close. Let that come up to temperature. I've left it to preheat for a little while, and as you can see, the temperature gauge now is just over 200 or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So I think that we're ready to go. Okay, so that was the Weber Q1200. Great little grill, I think. It went together really easily. I think the build quality of it's really, really good. And I'm excited to now actually get cooking on it. I promise you I will show you some videos of what I'm making with it as well. I know that today was just more of a putting it together and showing you the finished product, but there will be more to come. So if you've enjoyed this video, please do give it a like, because it really does help the channel grow. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do also subscribe. So I'll see you in the next one.